Hello, how are you? So let's complete this now. Let's working for our product controller. So we need to implement only more two methods or action for our application. So we need to remove and update the things. So let's implement them first. Update, okay? So create a method public void. Um, but is our operation to update the things. So let's increasing this HTTP but verb and it has information about the product DTO product. Okay, and for get this information from my product parameters that I pass and bind the body for the request, I using the same idea that we are working to post. I using this bind operation define the name for the thing. So I'll pass product ID. I pass the name. And oh, okay, that's it. If I could be incrementing passing the information if your product is enabled or not, because I have this information, right? So this active enable. But let's say passing. I only have the option to change the name, the update the name for product for this example. Okay, so I creating this. I call my application object. I invoked my update and pass my product. My application solve this issue for convert the type of class, apply the roles. Okay, so it's only this that is necessary to implement in the pet verb action. So for completing this, let's create our delete method void delete. I pass parameter ID. So I need to use the verb http delete, and it's very similar like a get by ID. We copy this information from my route because I need making this cross this ID, and I call my application looking the delete method and pass my ID parameters. So very simple, beauty. So now we have the every operation that is needed to our application, our API working. So creating, update the things, delete, and search. So let's test some things. Now I will play the application and going to my Postman, and let's test the first thing. First of everything, that's the result. My product ID. I received in my 5 products. Let's back into backend, insert the my breakpoint for put method and for delete, because the first time that we will be tested the things. Okay, so the get ID 3 is working. Let me see something to updating. The mouse, my product 1. I would like the update the thing, so I pass the but, and I don't need to pass this information because I'm passing this. So my product ID is 1. My mouse I change for my mouse gamer. I don't know. Only to test the thing. Okay, so click the send. Let's see if information is over for us. Okay, Nice. Let's convert the object. Let's test the information. Database is try. Okay, is try and remove. Return true, and we are inserted the product. Okay, we need to correct something, but in the sequence we are correcting, implementing this adjustment. Okay. Okay, I received the okay result stats. If I change my verb for back to get and pass the ID one, I received the updated name for mouse gamer. So the thing's working, but I lost this information, register date active. So I would like keeping this information to don't lose this data. So let's adjustment this. I back for my repositories products. I have the update operation. And my simple database have this implementation. So back for context, I have to update and his remove. Okay, so let me see. I would like him. Okay, the delete search the data, and if it is not equals no, remove and delete. Okay, so my updating code is delete product. Let's make an additional step. Okay, so I get this information. I get the product by ID, pass my product ID. Okay, and I return this search. And if in the object is deleted, before I call invoking this create operation, I would like complement some data for my object product. Okay, so my product will receive the active, the same information for my search active, and my product receive the same register date for search objects. So using this strategy, I keeping this information from my object. Nice. Last back and test again the things. Execute it. Oh, I lost my postman. Let me open. I don't see. I close. Sorry. Open again. Open again. Waiting a little time. Is open. They get to test again. I receive the mouse and I pass the put operation for my body. Send. Execute it. Receive OK. And if I change the verb to get pass the product one, he receive updated name like I changed, but keeping this information. Ooh, very nice. So the get is working very well. My put working well. Let's test the delete, but let me see what product we will delete it. And I'll remove it for our class, our collection. Okay, I'm removing this controller for PC ID4. So ID4 change for delete, send. the ID, receive it, F5 to complete the operation, receive OK to process. If it, we implemented the get again, remove the for, receive the product 1. Oops, let's me open this. 1, 2, 3, and 5. The 4 is remove it. And if we try search for the 4 products, the same. Oh, receiving some error. Let's correcting this. But because the error happens because the product is not found, and in this layer the product's return is null, because in the simple database the get returning the first or default. In default is null objects, and in this 52 line my method try convert operation DTO, but it's null, so we could be implementing my convert verify if the object is null. So if this null, return null. It's only this. Okay, for my these other methods, I static, I verify if a product pass like arguments is null, return null. No mystery. If for my list is the same thing. If products is null or products is account is all, I return null. Okay, because I don't have anything to convert it. And we need to implementing this for our entity, because we implementing the entity, so I need implementing this for DTO. Don't receive this same error. So convert to entity. If my own project is null, I don't have converted anything, so I return null. If my received product is null, oops, wrong place, sorry. If product is null, return null, because it's the converter is not necessary. For my list is the same thing, but I verify the object and no int or my product counts, because of a return. So that's me test if I'm using the correct operator for this on my entity layer. Or list, yes, one or other. Good. So let's execute again to complete this. Last test, and I get a 4. Just found it. Let's removing this. The delete. Or okay, remove the breakpoint. If I get without pass parameters, I don't return the 4. And if I try using the getter 4, it's broken again. I don't believe it is, man. Let me test. Let me testing. Inserting breakpoint. Let's verify what's happened. Okay, the wrong error. Say it again. Servicing, repository, the product, return the null value. Oh, because the value is null, I don't have how to invoke in the operation to null. Okay, we have how to solve this issue now. So I have in my results, I copy this for this. You know, oops. Okay. So I verify if my product is done. No. Could be that in this product detail. That's it. Because I'm implementing to verify if indeed is done, but if the object is no, I don't have how to invoke in this method. Okay, too. So returning null, okay, return null, and then implementing the conversation. Okay. Yes. Okay. More on time. Only more on time. I hope. Okay. And testing again. Return the form. Yes. And deleting. Deleted. Forgetting. Understand what happened. Good. If I found the four product, I return it. Okay. Don't worry, but I don't receive the 200 exactly. I received the successful result, but 204 because I don't receive any content because I don't found our product in. That's it. That is writing option. Okay, so deleted is working. Ooh, very nice. Every operation is working and tested, and we are completed our API. So we have only more one video to make a review for everything, implementing some one or other simple details. Okay, so I see you in the last next in the last video for this array. So thanks for watching and bye bye.